Really heavy snow band coming through. Wow. This is insane. Very heavy snow moving through. Guys, this is insane. We are looking at 1 to 2 inch per hour snowfall rates right now. Crazy. Wow, this is insane, guys. 2 inch per hour snowfall rates. Hell, it might be even more than that right now. Insane. What's up, guys? Take a look at this. This is insane. Insane snowfall right now. The rates are crazy. We definitely have probably 2 inch per hour snowfall rates right now. It's absolutely insane, guys. Wow, this is amazing. This is truly amazing. So I got my time lapse currently running. Let me show y'all. See all this. Got it running right here. Got it going. This snowfall is absolutely insane right now. I mean, on camera, it doesn't show quite how crazy it is. Now this shows how crazy it is in a way, but not what I'm seeing, guys. This is some heavy, thick snowfall right now, and you can only imagine if it was 32 degrees, how big these flakes would be. These are actually the biggest flakes I've seen in a long time. You cannot get any heavier than this. I mean, you can, but wow. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Stuff like this. This is what I was wishing for. And it happened. I can only imagine what that GoPro is getting right now. I can only imagine. Hey guys, right now we're doing some official measurements here. I'm currently measuring in the grass, so let's see what the official measuring is I got in the grass. So it's right around 7. So yeah, right around 7 inches is the highest total I have in the grass right now. Trying to find a good spot to put it, and I thought right here would have been pretty good. So yeah, this is probably about the highest spot that I found so far. I'm gonna see if I can find another measurement in the grass. So let's do that. Okay. We're gonna put it right here, get one more measurement. There, and so that's about 7 inches. So overall, 7 inches is looking like the highest total right now in the grass. Also, look at my shoes. This is absolutely insane. Like, walking in this stuff is crazy. I actually want to get a measurement right here real quick, just for the heck of it. Okay, 7 inches, about 7 inches. Yeah, so 7 inches is looking like the highest right now in the grassy areas. So yeah, let's head back. I love this stuff, guys. It's so powdery. God, it's so satisfying. I absolutely love snow like this, when snow is this powdery. Alrighty, guys. So I am going to be heading to another spot to do another measurement. So let's find another spot. I did it on this grill, which I can show you guys what it was. Actually, no, there's a photo of it. There's a photo I'm gonna put in the video, and you guys can see what it is, because I already measured it and stuff. But I want to find another area to measure. Let's see. I'm not gonna do the cars. Yeah, we don't want to do the cars. Actually, we could do on top of the cars. That'd be pretty cool, like the hood. Just to see how much we got in the last like 2 to 3 hours. So let's do that. Okay, so here's the top of my dad's car. He got home about, I think, 5:30. Yeah, close to 5:30. So we're trying to put it way up here. All right. There, let's see how much that is, and that's about 2.5 inches in the last, I'd say, I don't know what time it is right now. So it's probably in the last like 2.5 hours. So that's a good amount of snow on top of this hood at that time. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna find another spot. I know which spot to actually do. So it's gonna be back in here, actually back where I just was. And yeah, let me show you guys what spot it's gonna be. Okay guys, so I found the spot. I'll put it right here. Also, I took a photo of the measurement I got right here, so y'all will see that later on. So about 4 inches of snowfall right here. Very, very nice. And you gotta remember too, this area, like right on here, a lot of this didn't start accumulating until like an hour later. Like, so the snow had to really pick up for it to start accumulating on here. It finally did, but it took a little while. So that's pretty good. 4 inches is pretty good on this. So I guess to show you that we probably ended up getting around 5 to 6 inches of snow, like total and stuff. Now in the grassy areas, we of course got more. We got like 7 inches, but overall, I think we just got like 5 inches of snow, which is really, really good from the storm. Okay guys, so it is still snowing, and I think that was the last measurement I want to do. Actually, I'm going to do one more measurement. I'm going to do it right here on these bricks. Okay guys, so right here is where I'm going to do it. This is where I'm going to take the measurement at. This is actually a really good measurement too. Let me clean off. So, about 3 inches on here. And that's a lot of snow on here because remember, it took a while for it to start accumulating on here. It actually took the longest time to start accumulating on here. So, yeah, that's a good amount of snowfall for sure. Alrighty, let's look around. That was the last measurement, guys. I just want to take a look out here and see what it looks like. Got a lot of snow, especially in the grassy areas, around 7 inches or so. But yeah, it's still snowing a little bit too. It's definitely calming down and it's pretty much over, but yeah guys, I think that's about it honestly, because it is really starting to calm down now. Look at that. These bushes are crazy. Like, look how much snow is on them. Unbelievable. I'm just gonna do a little goofy thing here. Obviously you can't measure that, but I mean, I guess to show you that there's a lot of snow on these bushes. I mean, good God. It's absolutely stunning though. I'm gonna have to get a photo of that for sure. Alrighty everyone, that is going to do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like this video down below if you have enjoyed it. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out everybody.